Hey, what's going on everyone? Matthew from therighttrader.com back today with another cryptocurrency price prediction video. Today I'm going to be talking about SONM, and quick disclaimer, this video is actually sponsored by SONM themselves. It's actually funny because I was looking at some of these smaller cryptocurrencies and SONM is one of the cryptocurrencies that caught my eye. I actually really liked what I saw, and it just so happened that they contacted me at the same time. That was just a pure coincidence. I actually was thinking about making a video on them, so I'm really happy to be reviewing their project, and I think you'll find it very interesting too. So if you do end up being interested in purchasing SONM, you can check out Binance. It's quickly becoming one of the best exchanges to trade altcoins, and I will refer a link to them in the description of this video. But other than that, I'm going to be going over the charts, the numbers, going over some of the fundamentals, the community size, stuff like that as per usual, price prediction for 2018. And we're going to start off with the actual community size. So if we go over to the subreddit, we can see that there's over 2,000 readers. Pretty good size considering the market cap of SONM. And it's growing pretty fast. It's pretty active, so nothing really to worry about there. Now, one thing that I should really point out is going back to CoinMarketCap here. SONM is actually not even in the top 100. It's getting close, but it's, as we speak, not in the top 100, and I don't see it staying out of that top 100 ranking for long, right? I think it's going to do well in the next couple months, and I'll go into a bit more detail when I get to the numbers and the charts, but let's go ahead and go over what SONM is about really quickly. So it is a supercomputer organized by network mining, okay? And just to give you a quick idea of what it is, basically it's a decentralized worldwide fog supercomputer that's for various purposes. It can be things like site hosting or even scientific calculations. They go over some use cases here, as you can see, game servers, applications, machine learning, video rendering, video streaming, site hosting, scientific research, really anything that involves computational power, they're trying to be, the go-to place for that. And they have some pretty advanced technology. They're combining some of the best-in-class technologies for this type of stuff. So they have Ethereum smart contracts and a whole bunch of other technologies. I won't go into too much details because this stuff does get a bit complex, but they're very active. They're not dead at all, and they're actually partnering with some of their peers. Aeon over here is one of the cryptocurrencies that's been doing pretty well. That's always good to see that they're partnering with other successful cryptocurrencies. And they're active. They're partnering with different projects. That's something that you don't always see, right? A lot of these cryptocurrencies are sometimes kind of dead and not much going on. This isn't the case for SONM. They actually are launching their MVP testnet on December 25th, and that's really going to be the first step to implement the decentralized supercomputer. Now, you can actually join this and help shape the functionalities, and by joining this MVP testnet, which is December 25th, like I said, you will actually get a bonus, right? And this is a complete surprise. I have no idea what this will be, but you will be receiving a gift from SONM if you participate in that MVP testnet release. And yeah, like I said, you can see their quick roadmap here. They are really moving forward on their project. That's really something that I like because, as I mentioned, a lot of these projects aren't really moving forward, and that doesn't seem to be the case with SONM, right? They're really on top of things, and it looks like they really want to push this forward, which I can really appreciate in this competitive marketplace. Now, let me go over the numbers really quickly because this is where I think a lot of interesting points come up. And over here you can see where on which exchanges it's trading. Of course, most of the volume is coming on Binance, like I said. If you do end up wanting to purchase SONM, go check out my referral link in the description to Binance. But currently trading at 38 cents, market cap of 138 million US dollars. And, like I said, it's outside of the top 100 ranking. $100 million market cap is actually becoming very small currently. The market cap rankings changed quite a bit over the past couple weeks, and a $100 million market cap is now very small. And to see a good project like this that's kind of flying under the radar at such a low market cap sparks my interest. And I'm even considering buying some at these levels, to be honest. So volume of 9 million US dollars over the past 24 hours, that's actually very large for a market cap this size. Circulating supply of 359 million SONM, total supply of 444 million. That's a little bit on the higher side, nothing too big, pretty normal for this type of project that involves some transacting. We can see that, they initially launched, not much happened, got a little spike over here in October 2017. We can see that the volume as well has been steadily increasing and really started to pick up as of late. And really, around the end of November, the price started picking up pretty significantly, right? It was only at around 10 cents, now above 30 cents. And, the all-time high is back here at right above $1. So I like the setup right now on the chart because, we tested the 50-cent level just recently. And pulling back a little bit here, I think that this could be one of the last chances to get in before it really takes off. So I might use that advantage myself. Of course, that's not financial advice. That's just my opinion. But I do see SONM, in the next, let's say, 3 months, getting back to that $1 mark. And that would be about a 300% increase, give or take. So do I see it going higher than that afterwards? I think it definitely can. That would, of course, put the market cap at around, $400 million. But I think that it can definitely break above $1, right? And if it manages to break and hold above $1, the next stop is really that $5 mark usually. So it may take a bit of time to get there, but I think it's possible. And I think that SONM will really be one of the cryptocurrencies that starts taking off. We can see that it's already gaining traction. And I think that that first stop will be that $1 mark, the previous all-time high, right? And after that, like I said, it should start climbing towards that $5 mark. So it could really climb up the market cap ranking, right? I think it can get to $500 million market cap, maybe even start going towards that $1 billion market cap in 2018. Like I said, though, first stop will be that $1 all-time high. I do think that we'll be able to get a test of that within the next 3 months. Price action looks very strong here, and it's breaking above some pretty long-term, right, resistance. So back in June 2017, we're really breaking out from this long time range that we put in, and that usually means that the price will move much higher in the near future. So I think that we're going to see this one move up pretty quickly, actually. And let me know what you think about this project. If you like it, I'd definitely be interested to hear your thoughts. But just to recap, when I see a small project like this, and I'm talking market cap because it's definitely not a small project. It's an advanced project. But when there's a low valued, how it's not gonna get some traction and rise, right? So it has over the past couple of days tested to get into that 100 top 100 ranking. It hasn't managed to stay in there just yet. I think that'll happen very quickly. And once it's in that top 100 ranking, it's going to get even more traction because there's going to be a lot more eyes on it. So I like how it's setting up. I think that it's going to get quite a bit of make quite a bit of a name for itself in 2018. And yeah, other than that, everyone, thanks for watching. If you're interested in purchasing SONM, go check out Binance, like I said, and I'll see you next time.